Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the universal faucet with a water hose, replacing black and white water hose system, and it is 360 degrees rotatable by Bonade. You can see all what is in the box. Dual function outlet, steam mode, spray mode, 2-color optional, silver or black, creating the perfect kitchen helper for your kitchen at home. Provide 2 color options. This is awesome. And the reference basin size to prevent splashing is 500 millimeters to 430 millimeters to 450 millimeters. This is the range for you, so you can choose the size of your basin. Universal faucet, keep your cleaning unrestricted. Universal water hose is in the box. Replace it by black or white water hose, 360 rotation, and you can choose black water hose or the silver water hose. The outlet hose can be replaced freely, and it is easy to do. I will show you later. Double outlet. Press on the shower nozzle button, switching to spray of the secondary nozzle immediately, and when release the water come out from the main outlet. And this is all in this box. It is easy to install and it's easy to use, really easy. This product is produced according to the latest industry standards. It is made of high quality materials, advanced surface polishing and electroplating process, well prepared ceramic valve cores inside, and more than 500,000 times of using switches without dripping. Oh, this sounds good. The technical requirements are water supply pressure 0.2 MPa until 0.6 MPa. If water supply pressure exceeds 0.8 MPa, a pressure reducing valve must be fitted. Water supply temperature maximum 80 degrees Celsius. Clean the water supply pipe before installing the angle valve to ensure that the pipe is clean, because pipe fouling can damage the spool, causing blockage or water leakage. After opening the package, please check if it is completed, and we checked it, and you can see all the boxes is fully. We can see the faucet, we can see the 2 water inlet hoses, and we can see 1 rubber ring, 1 rubber gasket, 1 lock nut, and this 1 lock nut is for tool-free installation or assembling. And here you can see on the top side at the faucet, you have to place the rubber gasket. After this, there will come your sink. Then it comes to a rubber ring. After this, it comes a gasket, and on the bottom side, you have to use the lock nut without tools. These are the 2 water inlet hoses. These inlet hoses will transport the water out of your valve to your faucet. Check the rubber inside of these 2 lines, because this will protect you from leaking. The first step is you have to rotate them into this socket on the bottom side. Inside is the last technology of switching water, control of the shower nozzle, button and switching water between stream and spray. Double water outlet spouts not work at the same time. That means the main spout is the water column and the sub spout is the shower. Press on the shower nozzle button, switching to spray off the secondary nozzle immediately, and when released, the water comes out from the main outlet again. The outlet hose can be replaced freely, and the secondary water outlet nozzle is fixed by strong magnetic force. When using, it does not need to use with great force, just fiddle lightly or turn the handle to switch so as not to cause product damage by excessive effort. Stains of the surface of the faucet can generally be wiped off with a soft cotton cloth or with a mild liquefied cleaner or a color glass cleaner. Do not use acids, abrasive cleaners to avoid damaging the surface finish. The installation of the kitchen faucet is easy. First, prepare the installation tool. Check whether the parts are complete before installation. Common faucet parts included hose, rubber rings, etc. In addition, waterproof tape should be prepared. Check if the main valve or water supply is closed. Use a waterproof tape to wrap a few turns in the clockwise direction on the thread of the faucet. This is very important. The direction of the waterproof tape must be tangled clockwise. If wind reversely, it will leak, which means that the direction of the waterproof tape winding is opposite to the direction of the faucet thread. Screw the faucet clockwise on the interface of the water pipe and tighten with a wrench. Open the main valve of the water supply. Normal water can be used. First step, insert the rubber ring into the groove at the bottom of the faucet. Put the lock nut or fastening thread, insert the gasket and the rubber gasket in series according to the thing we have done before into the two water inlet hoses. Pass the water inlet hose through the mounting hole and tighten it to water inlet hole of the faucet as I am showing you now. As you can see, we opened the water supply again, and now we have the ready or the finished installed kitchen faucet here. And it's easy to use and it has a nice surface. It has a nice function, as you can see. You can choose by your own. I like it really much. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and maybe look after the lines after 1 hour for leaking. Soon.